Good morning, everybody. I'm Eddie Nala. Hey.
You're not a baby anymore. I can say that this is my bread that I've made. Last night I woke up at 4 a.m. and I had the worst heartburn. The other day I made sourdough discard muffins and these were pretty good. This is chocolate chip and then this is brown sugar. I'm gonna feed her today because I want to make a cheddar cheese jalapeno sourdough bread. Today is gonna be a productive day because I am in this nesting mood. I feel like there's no timeline when nesting starts. Ever since the new year has hit, I literally have been organizing every single cabinet in this house. And today we are gonna be working on the pantry. I literally have been ripping this house left and right, getting it super organized. Oh, thank you.
You're so pretty.
Oh, you're so pretty too. You always tell me that all the time.
Is that Issa so pretty too?
Yeah, Issa is so pretty. You're so pretty. You guys are very beautiful.
But everybody's pretty too.
Yeah, everybody's pretty. Yeah, I like that. That's very nice of you.
And Spider-Man.
Spider-Man's very pretty. Yeah.
I be Spider-Man. Issa be Ghoster. And you be Spider-Man too.
Okay. I think her new obsession is gonna be Spider-Man.
I gotta be Spider-Man
Yeah.
every day, and everybody's so pretty. Yes, you are so pretty.
Wow. Wow, you just like made everyone's day, Ellie. Just got back from Target and Michael's with the girls. I saw mom at Target today and she had 3 kids, 2 daughters, and then her youngest was a baby boy. When I saw her, I was like, this is how I'm gonna do it with 3 kids when I go out. I feel like it's been really easy taking both the girls out by myself, but I've always been like questioning, okay, how am I gonna do it with 3 kids when it's just me? Anyways, we're reorganizing the pantry today and I had to go to Target to get bins. I got these bins at Target. I got 5 of them. Since I'm in my baking era, I got a new baking dish set. I actually don't own one. I also heard that this brand, Figment, is a really good brand. So I also got their mixing bowl set too. I just can't help but not get the girls anything at Target. Tony's actually sent them a box for Christmas. I got them more characters. Alicia picked out the Minnie Mouse and then Ellie picked out Winnie and the Pooh. I also got the girls new cups to go to Grandma and Grandpa's house. Such a random thing, but I got a foot mask because my feet have literally been so dry. Like they're cracking. It's nasty. It feels literally like sandpaper. I also needed a new brow pencil, so I'm gonna be trying this one. It's Maybelline. I also got the girls new bath toys because they were actually on sale. This is the Bluey Pull and Go Canoe, and this one is the Splash and Float Bluey. I also got this for the guest bathroom upstairs. Since baby boy's coming in a couple months, we honestly don't plan on traveling anytime soon. We've been focusing more on the house house and finally like getting it done. I also got this hamper for the guest bathroom too, but this is actually gonna go in the cabinets. Ellie really wanted this Frozen dress, so I had to get it for her. These are the hangers we used for the girls, and we needed some for a little guy. We also needed more Tide Pods. This is the Tide Pods that we use. If you guys know, my daughter has eczema, so the Free and Gentle pods are the best. Now I did stop at Michael's because I saw TikTok and they had the cutest spring section ever, which you guys saw in the video. They had like a tea party section, a butterfly section, flower section, like all the decor was vibing. So I got this for the girls' room. It literally matches their decor. And I'm thinking about putting this in their bathroom. But then I was like, this would also be really great to store their Tony's characters. Also got these bow pillows too. If you guys know, their room is like ballerina themed. Lastly, I got this for their nightstand. Eliana and Alicia have like little kids jewelry that they got for Christmas. This would be really cute to put their jewelry in. Anyways, that is it for the haul. Now it's time to organize the pantry. I'm gonna take everything out and then try to reorganize and put everything in the new bins. Some bins I will be keeping, and then some I'm giving to my mom because she's actually going to be redoing her pantry. These are my new jars I got. I finally made use to it. I just need to put the labels on it.
I'm gonna say hi.
Look, I
I like those cups.
Look, for their Tonys. Their Tony's characters, or this can go in the bathroom. Yes, I feel like that would look cute.
Here guys, this is what my wife bought. She thinks that we needed to trade our money for this.
It's time to open up all these PR packages. Just joking, I'm not gonna open all of them because that's too much work and I'm gonna run out of breath. But we're gonna open a few that look interesting. Probably not gonna open those, but Maxi Cozy sent us a stroller. I believe that's a car seat. And then I see a baby swing right there. This I'm not gonna open either because this is actually for our little guy's bedroom. We have this box from Cuddle and Kind. They actually sent us stuff before when Alicia was a baby. If you buy one doll, the brand donates 10 meals to children in need. I love a brand that gives back. This is Evan the elephant. They all have like names on it, which is adorable. I think Evan's gonna go in baby brother's room. Aww. We also got the baby animal collection. Adorable. I literally love how small they are. They're adorable. So we have a box from the Honest Company. There's 2 boxes they sent. So guys, this is insane. Look at this. It's literally filled. New Mama Care Essentials. I dig that a lot. I appreciate that. There's literally everything in here. Organic cotton dry wipes. What would I use these for? There's some baby wipes. We got some conditioner. This is fragrance free. Ooh, do they know that Ellie has eczema? Fragrance free. This is all like aloe. Everyday diaper rash cream. Healing head to toe ointment. I love that they sent fragrance-free stuff because I personally do not like fragrance at all. They even make lash primer? That's insane. I didn't know that. So I'm gonna guess these are diapers because of how light they are. Ah, it's a little diaper cake! That is so cute! There's diapers, some wipes, shampoo and body wash, and then face and body lotion. I got a playmat from Wild Bird, and they also sent like a baby carrier and then some like clothes, but I already threw those in the wash because I really wanted the girls to wear it. We also got another playmat from Lalo. We've actually had this one with Alicia. I'm not gonna open it though because I think another company's sending me a playmat, so I'm gonna have like 3 in total. So I'm gonna decide which one I wanna keep and then donate to any mamas that need it. We got more diapers diapers sent to us from Coterie. I love their diapers. Very soft. I also really love Pampers. Especially when they get older. The Pampers 360 Swaddlers or Cruisers, they're literally the best diapers ever. Coterie also sent us wipes, but I'm not gonna pick it up because it's too heavy and my back is already cramping. I'm gonna make a little snack because I'm hungry. And this is the perfect time to eat before my kids come back. This is literally the most random thing, but it sounds so good right now. It's called a snack plate. Some Dijon mustard, cottage cheese. I love cottage cheese. It's so good. We got some baby carrots. These are my favorite chips. It's the rice crackers, but it's flavored with buttermilk ranch. This is my little sad snack plate. I literally just eat the most random things ever, and it sounds really good. Yeah, that did it for me. Mustard and carrots. That's pretty good. My babies are here. Hello! How was your bike ride?
It's so fun. Oh, this is Olaf and Elsa and Kristoff and Anna.
Wow, I love your dress.
Wait! This is Kristoff.
Wow! What did Daddy give you guys?
Juice.
He gave you guys juice? That's a lot of juice. That's a lot of juice, babe. Before dinner?
Yeah.
Elijah ended up picking up dinner from the food trucks.
Broccoli.
Yeah, she loves broccoli. This girl's favorite vegetable. Thank you, babe, for picking up dinner.
Thank you.
Elijah also picked up dessert too from the dessert truck.
It's called Papa
Thank you,
Churros.
baby. Thank you.
Here.
It's called, what is it called?
Papa Churros.
Papa Churros.
Papa Churros.
Papa Churros.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah.